Hello, we're going to be going over how to use Google Forms in the classroom. So first you want to go ahead and search on Google Forms. This is the page that will pop up, and to start a new form you will click that Add button. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is title your form. So we can title this form First Day Quiz or Survey. We'll just say quiz. Now the description is what your students are going to understand the description of the quiz. So you can just put quiz given on first day to students to help teacher learn about them. You can make it as many questions as you'd like, but on the right over here it does give you different question types. So for example, let's do linear scale, and you can say you'll put how do you feel about math? And 1, you would say I love it, and 5 would be I don't like it. Before it will turn into an actual question, you have to add another question. So you will hit add question, and then they will be able to label on a scale of 1 to 5 how they feel about math. Now for another question, we can use checkboxes. So you can put a question and make it optional for a student to choose multiple boxes. For this question, you could label what type of dessert is your favorite? Option 1 could be cake. You'll have to click add option to add more. Option 2 would be ice cream. Option 3 could be brownies. Option 4 could be pie. And then you could always leave an other so students could also enter their favorite. Again, it will not turn into an actual question until you add another. So then students can go back and select multiple. Now for a third example, we will use a short answer. And for this question, this allows students to type however much they would like about the question. So you will put, what is your favorite thing about school? This is an open-ended question, and it allows students to type as much as they'd like. Now I could go on and on about the different types of questions. However, I feel like it is somewhat self-explanatory that you can choose what question you'd like and then format it however you want. The other option is if you choose not to choose what type of question you're going to use first and you just want to start typing it, I can type a question and it will format itself. So for example, what is your favorite color? It automatically updates it to be a short answer question and allows students to type. I hope this presentation helped you all understand Google Forms. I'll now go to the credits. So video narration goes to Laura Murray, video content goes to Laura Murray, but also Google Forms, and then the screen recorder used was Screencast-O-Matic.